Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to access any options present in the toolbar of a Notepad using only keyboard in Windows PC. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Notepad application. And now say you can see here some options which is present in the toolbar. So this is called toolbar. So this is a file, edit, view. So here we are not going to use our computer mouse. So here we are going to use only a computer keyboard. So here what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press the Alt key. Now it will highlight some options with the different alphabets showing which options you want to access. So if you want to access the file, right, so you can see here the F letter. So just press the F key on your computer keyboard. Now it will automatically show all the options and along with the various alphabets which you want to access. So if you want to create a new tab, then just press the N alphabet on your computer keyboard. So now you can see here, once again you can repeat the same thing, press the Alt key on your computer keyboard. Now it will show back the various options along with some alphabet highlighting it. So if you want to access the edit, just press the edit. Now you can see the various options highlighting here again. Now say if you directly want to access, then you can use this keyboard shortcut combinations. Right now you can see on the video. So in order to access the file, you can just press Alt and F directly. And in order to access the edit options, you can just press Alt and E. And in order to access the view options, just press Alt plus V. And in order to access the settings options, just press Alt plus S. So you can see here. So this is how you can access any options present in the toolbar of a Notepad using only keyboard in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.